Hi, Zamaria. Thanks for emailing me, taking the time to do that. I can tell you're working hard on this. Everything you have in your design notebook so far looks great. And I know you asked about how to rotate it. So wanted to do this video to show you exactly how to do that. So there's a couple ways you're going to be able to rotate your shape. So when you click on this, you're going to see these double arrows here. So there's an arrow there and there, there's a double arrow there and there, and then there's another one there. So each one's going to have 3 of them. And if you click on one, let's go with this one here because I think that's the way it needs to rotate. You have 2 options of how to do this. You can click, hold it, and then drag it like that. That's one way of doing it. The other way is, let's go over here and do this one, is once again I click on it and you'll see those 3 arrows. There's one there, there, and there, the double arrows. And if you click on that, instead of dragging it, you'll see above there it says 0 degrees. So if you click on that, if you're familiar with math and angles, thinking of like a 90-degree angle, 45-degree angle, you can do that, put in the number. So if I wanted to rotate at 45-degree angles, I click on it, and then it rotates there. So had I done a different one, let's just say 20 degrees, I'm going to say 20. You can see it rotated a little bit, but obviously it doesn't match up with that one. So I knew that this is a rotation of 45 degrees, and then it matches up. So those are the 2 ways you can rotate it. Either just, once you click on it, you click and drag, or you put in the particular angle measure. So feel free to reach out to me if you do have more questions. I hope this video helped you.